Hey guys, Natalia here, an English-speaking tour guide, interpreter, translator, a teacher and a narrator based in Kiev, Ukraine. And today, as I was heading home, I decided to stop by my favorite repair shop. As you can see, the sign reads Imaster, market, gadgets and accessories. So I'd like to share with you my personal experience, but before I start doing that, I'd like to go inside the shop, inside the repair shop, and show you around. At the moment, it's not packed with visitors, it's not packed with customers, but the business day is drawing to a close. And here I met one of my favorite technicians called Vlad, and Vlad shared with me what they're doing here, what kind of repairs they do here. And you see, they can cope. He told me that they can cope with all types of gadget failures. They can repair PCs, desktop computers, they can repair tablets and cell phones which operate using any system, any operating system, Android and iOS operating systems. So just to give you a better idea of what this repair shop has on offer, what they're offering. Okay, so let me show you. So they have here all kinds of accessories. Well, so as you can see, a very wide range of accessories and all kinds of components. And I've been told that the shop has in stock all the required spare parts and components, so which actually allows them to carry out repairs within the shortest time possible. And they also offer a guarantee period of 3 months. Before coming here, I did an internet search, and I found out that they have been operating in Kiev for more than 2 years, and over this period they have raised about 350 feedbacks from their clients, from their customers, and they offer services not only to individual private customers but also to business customers. Let's have a look at this image. So this is Steve Jobs, as far as I understand. So a business icon in the world of IT, yes, in the computer field. And and Vlad told me they work very efficiently, they work very quickly, trying to meet the customers' deadlines, and the quality of their service is up to the mark, up to the best standards. Vlad, maybe a few words. I know that you're very busy now, you're repairing a gadget right now, so you can't just spend a lot of time, but just maybe a few words for me and my viewers, just to give a flavor of what you're doing here and what kind of shop you're running.
смотрите, это в целом у нас сеть сервисных центров. Работаем и в Днепре.
We have a network of service centers.
Да, работаем и в Днепре, и в Одессе, и в Черкасской области.
So we have locations in the Dnipro, in such cities as Dnipro, Cherkasy region, Odessa.
Делаем ремонты любой сложности.
And we do repairs of any degree of complexity.
Наше преимущество перед конкурентами в том, что у нас запчасти на месте и максимально быстрый ремонт происходит.
We are head and shoulders above our competition because we have all the spare parts and components are in stock. We keep them in the shop and actually which helps us do the repairs within the shortest time possible. Guys, I think that Vlad is receiving a visitor, a client now, so I will just leave him alone. And just a few finishing touches. The repair shop is located in downtown Kiev, within a 5-minute walking distance of the metro. The nearest metro is Kontraktowa Plosha, the Square of Contracts. So, well, I think I've given you a full picture of what you can find here and hope to connect with you within the next few days. Until then, from me, Natalia, goodbye. And as promised, I'd like to share my personal experience of getting a service from the Imaster repair shop. About 2 years ago, my phone went dead. Actually, the screen went utterly and totally blank. And after doing an internet search and actually identifying a few locations, I decided to come here. As I told you, the repair shop is within a walking distance of the Kontraktowa Plosha metro station. So I dropped by and actually the guys brought my phone back very quickly, just in half a jiffy, you know, and for which I'm still very grateful to them. And I think my story, my personal experience will inspire you to visit this repair shop because it will cost you the least amount of effort and time possible. So why don't you come and get a feel for their service. Until next time, from me, Natalia, an English-speaking tour guide, interpreter and teacher. Goodbye.